Hey guys, welcome back. We are back with a part 2 of my Boxycharm unboxing. Really, I didn't know what else to call it besides a part 2 because I've already unboxed my very first box from Boxycharm. I do get 2 boxes a month and I try to do them together, but they don't ever seem to want to come at the same time. So if you guys want to check out my other box, from Boxycharm that I unboxed for the November month, I will have it linked down below, but also at the end of this video for you guys to check out so you guys can get some variations if you would like to. So we're going to go ahead and get diving into this. Sorry, I'm grabbing my phone so I can check shipment stuff. But we're going to get diving into this and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that's in our November Boxycharm base box. So let's get to this. This box here weighs 1.1 pounds for those of you guys wondering. That is what the weight is. Let me find a thingy so I can open it. I was really impressed with my first unboxing. I know that a few of you guys also mentioned that you guys were really impressed with your Boxycharm this month, so I'm hoping that this is going to be just as bomb. I did put it in the other one, but you do get a 25% discount from Natasha Denona if you do plan to order anything, so if you need to get a gift. But this is the code NDXBOXY, and you get 25% off of the site from Natasha Denona, so I thought that was a really neat thing. Here is this month's theme. It's got harvest on it, fall vibes. I don't know about you guys. I mentioned this on Twitter. I just decorated for my house last night for Christmas. I was like, you know what, F this, F 2020. I need some happiness in my life. We're gonna decorate. So I stayed up yesterday. I was supposed to film yesterday. I started decorating at 5 o'clock at night and I finished at like 1:30 in the morning. But I feel so accomplished. I only did the inside. I didn't do the outside. My husband was like, well, let's not show them just how crazy we are with decorating and it's not even Thanksgiving. So let's just do the inside and we'll do the outside after Thanksgiving. And I was like, all right, settled. We'll do that. FYI, this is my paid box. The very first one we watch, I always let you guys know that one is the PR box that I get. This is the one that I buy every month with my own money. The winds are really heavy today, by the way. So the first thing I have here is the Natasha Denona Peak palette, which I did mention. I already do have it, and I forgot to put the little Instagram clip in my video of the last video, so I'm going to do it here. But I did already do swatches for you guys in the other video, so check it out there if you guys want to see swatches. I will say I'm very excited that I got this in my paid box, because I was wondering about that. I know sometimes you guys say that like my PR box is always a little bit of a better variation because they are PR boxes, which I could totally understand. But to have gotten this in my paid box makes me feel really good also. So I'm definitely going to put this to the side because I already have one sitting back here that I use. It's actually, it's right here. I have been using it for the past couple weeks. Like I said in my other video, I love it. I really love this color right here, and I really love the matte in here. I just find it to work so well. This is a great palette. This one is going to go aside for a giveaway, which will be coming very soon. Ooh, this is all different. Yes. Next thing I have here, oh yes, I have been wanting to get something like this. So this is by Dr. Brandt. This is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. This is got green and white tea extract, and it's supposed to protect against free radicals and leaves the skin revitalized and improves the skin's barrier. I really do enjoy Dr. Brandt products. Right now I'm currently using his microdermabrasion skin exfoliant, the one in the black tube. I have that one. I don't use it often because it's very abrasive, but it's something that because it is so abrasive, I do sometimes mix it with my face wash and do it that way so it's not as harsh. But I really love this brand and I'm excited to try this out. It says to hold the bottle 6 inches away from your face, and it's designed for all skin types. The next thing I have here looks like a deck of cards. And this is by Half Caked. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by my camera that decided to die, I have 3 lip creams, and this is the first one called Theme Song, which is probably like my favorite one because it's like the most neutral. It does come off a little bit more pink tone on camera, but it's got a little bit of like a brown hue to it. These are kind of similar to those liquid lipsticks that I picked up in my Ulta haul by Too Faced. The color story is just very similar. It's got like those very fall-esque colors. So here is the second one. It's got a little bit more of a richer, it's kind of like a spiced color, if that makes sense, like a spiced apple color. And then this last one, oh, this one is called 82 Bordeaux. And the last one I have is called Low Key. Is that the same color? Yeah. Oh, you know what? I lied. That's not it. This is called Low Key. Oh, messed up there. This last one is 82 Bordeaux. I'm so confused. All right, which is like more of a deep red. Oh, that's beautiful. That is like much, it looks brighter. It looks brighter in the tube, but it's much more of a deeper red. I really like that. That is definitely up my alley. You guys, I have been going to Starbucks non-stop. It's like maybe once a week I'll go to Starbucks. But during the holiday season, when creme brulee season comes, I am there every other day, sometimes 2 times a day. I am obsessed with creme brulee latte. That is what I look forward to every year from Starbucks. The next 2 things I have, which I ended up getting also in my first box, so I'm not going to open these. I'm actually going to hold on to them for giveaways also. But this is the Pero Primero Eye Primer, and this is by Alamar Cosmetics. So I will show you guys mine because I do have it here. It's like a light beige colored, what do they call this? Eye primer. That's what I was trying to say. But once you blend it out, it has a little bit of tint to it. I did use it the other day, and I did find that I didn't like using it by itself. So I mixed it with a little bit of concealer, and when I mixed it with concealer, I thought it worked phenomenal on my eyes. So that is the other thing I picked up. And then the last thing I picked up, the last thing I got was from Milk Makeup, and this is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. So again, the same thing I got in my other box. I have not yet tried it. We did open it together. Let me grab mine. This is mine. We did open it together, and I haven't tried it like I said. I'm still working on some other ones, but it's got like your standard wand. It has just a standard wand that goes to it. But it is waterproof, so if that is something that really intrigues you. Normally, I'm not a fan of waterproof, but more this past couple of months, I've been more into waterproof mascara because my allergies makes my eyes run, and usually waterproof mascara helps. So what I like to do is apply my normal mascara, and then I will go in with like a coat of a waterproof mascara to kind of seal the deal. Anyways, that is everything I got in my box, and I paid $26 and like 70 something cents in shipping and everything together for my base box, and I feel like I got a really good deal. I'm very excited about this skincare product. I've been all about skincare recently. Like anything skincare related, please give it to me. I want it all. I'm also excited to have been able to get duplicates of some products so that I can put into a giveaway to give to somebody else to enjoy as well. So you guys let me know down below what you guys think of your box this month. FYI, I do have my Ipsy unboxing getting ready to be filmed. I'm waiting on my Ipsy other box. I have one more, and it will be coming. And once it does, we're going to do a huge Ipsy showdown. So I'm waiting. Normally, I would kind of upload them just the way I do with my Boxycharm. So keep an eye out for that, as well as my Sephora VIB sale haul. Don't judge me, but in that video, I'm wearing the exact same outfit because I just filmed it. So just a little FYI. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.